Hi, I am Akhilesh Chitlangia, third generation promoter of Duroply Industries Limited. We have been the leader in the plywood industry for over 60 years and are considered the most trusted plywood brand, loved and adored by more than millions of customers across India. Plywood is such an essential item in the house. You see it in use everywhere. Cupboards, kitchen, bed, table. It is used everywhere. But it pains me to see that people like you are spending their hard-earned money to buy plywood but are not getting the right solution for their homes. Why? Why does this happen? Why is that even an issue? Let me explain. Did you know that 80% of the plywood sold in the country comes from the unorganized sector? 80%, where quality standards are not met. Instead, low quality products are labeled and sold to you as high quality. When this is prevalent, how do you as a customer decide which plywood is right for your requirements? Well, I have a big surprise for anyone wanting to buy high quality plywood that lasts not only for years but for generations and generations to come. Let me assure you that this is the first time, not only in India but even maybe across the world, that someone has taken a lead of this level to guide you so that you get the best return on your woodwork investment. Introducing to you the first edition of my recently launched book, Smart Plywood Buying Guide. This is a book that anyone can read and then decide for themselves the quality of plywood they want for their home. This book reveals the hidden secrets of the plywood industry and provides insights on how you can purchase the right quality of plywood for your house. It is my mission to get as many people in India to buy the right grade of plywood, and therefore this book I am making available to everyone for free. Read it and it will give you all the answers, and I am sure you will be able to make the right decision for your family. To get a copy of this book, click on the link below to download your free copy. I would love to hear your success stories and you can share it with me at smartplywood@duroply.com.